Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. And yeah, let's do a little resume of what I see. Okay, so at the beginning of last week, what was it? Before last week, we had the market invert a daily fair value gap, and that's the range of that daily fair value gap. We inverted it, all right, closed outside of it, came back, bodies respected the high, touched this tiny 1 hour fair value gap up here, shorted, expanded outwards. After that, continued to respect the bearish fair value gaps. No candle, bodies closing above. See that? And then we broke below this breaker with a bearish fair value gap. Continued on expanding towards the downside all the way until we hit the 78.6% retracement, which coincided with these lows over here. Following that, we had that was Jackson Hole Symposium week. Powell gave a comment, speech, whatever, brought the market back all the way back up to this breaker. And this is why I want to monitor see this breaker if it actually acts as resistance or goes straight through it and acts as support, which it didn't. And we also used this bearish fair value gap as a reference point with bodies not closing above the consequent encroachment of it. That's good. Now what we are going to want to see is this inversion. This zone right here. We want to see if this zone right here provides us with the proper structure for a continuation to the upside or a collapse into this weekly fair value gap, which I think is going to happen. Which might happen. Got these relative equal lows over here. What else can we talk about, really? Hmm. But yeah, we'll see how it's going to react over here in this region. Let's see what we notice. Let's change time frames. Let's see if we can go down to the 15 minutes, see if we see something different. So yeah, even on the 15 time frame, it's the same candles. Same candles. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's show you guys also on the 1 hour. Those highs like this going down in a trending fashion, right? That's for all the trendline traders out there. What else is there? 4 hour. Same shit on the 4 hour. But the only thing is that on the 4 hour that the inversion fair value gap is a bit smaller. There's new home sales at 10. Let's see what it looks like on the 4 hour. We have this and this over here. So yeah, basically at the bottom of this 4 hour fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, or the 1 hour one, doesn't really matter. It's gonna be our point of interest to see if we use this as a mitigation block. Yeah, we'll do this over here. Another one. It's gonna be like the breaker, but it's a mitigation. So we have a couple of PD arrays. And there's also this one as a breaker. Though we didn't make new highs, so it's not really a breaker. But we did create new lows. So let's see, this is a big area of interest for us on today's session, if we get there. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper. To me, price action is looking bearish. So we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Let's do a little quick market structure type of scenario practice. Okay, then this. So you see the trend failed to make new highs, made a new low, failed to make new highs, made a new low, failed to make new highs, made a new low, failed to make new highs, made a new low. So yeah, market's pretty bearish right now. We shall see if we start turning around a consequent encroachment of that big news event fair value gap, or we continue a bit lower, use this as support, or we use this as a place to propel us a bit lower to these relative equal lows. And that's pretty much it for this morning's session. Just gonna mark out the buy side and sell side. So we have sell side number 1 over here. Sell side. After that, we have sell side number 2. Sell side number 3. Right here. And in an extreme case, sell side number 4. It's pretty good. Now buy side. Okay, so an obvious buy side would be here. After that buy side, I would probably use this buy side. Buy side. After that, we got this buy side. After that, we have this buy side. And then if we take this buy side, then we're gonna go probably go reach this buy side all-time highs. Ok, buy side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We're gonna be uh, within these parameters, these ranges, and we're gonna be inspecting if we at the right time at this price, if we're gonna be creating some nice bullish market structure patterns, or if we continue to drop lower from here. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this brief pre-market Nasdaq analysis, and catch you on the live. Peace, everyone.